Hello and welcome to Ben's Addiction. Almost a year ago I published a video on tips and tricks for this generation of Mercedes, the W209, which is very similar to W211, W203 and W221. That video on W209 tips and tricks got lots of views. I can say it's my most viewed and liked video on YouTube. So today I've decided to make a similar video for W211, which is a previous generation of this generation of Mercedes. This is the same generation for W208. It also can work on some other models like R170. This service due reminder is kind of annoying if you have already done your servicing, so you need to reset this. You can be reminded in 15,000 kilometers again to do the servicing on your W210. This also can work on some other Mercedes-Benz like W164 or W220. Okay, key in the ignition. 1 click, 2 clicks. Push the 0 button twice. 1, 2. We get to the service due on display, and then we go to the position 1. We hold the 0 button, and now we go back to position 2 and we hold it. We keep holding it until we see, and the service will be reset to 15,000 kilometers. The second reset we are going to try for W210, and it should work on many other Mercedes with M111 engine and also M112 and M113. And you're more than welcome to try this on other Mercedes-Benz models and years. It's very useful if you have fluctuation on your idle speed, if your idle speed is too high or too low. So in this way, the ECU is going to learn the throttle body positions, and in my experience, it's very beneficial and good and can solve your problem free of charge before you go to any repair shop or mechanic. Here, it's how it works. Key in the ignition again, go to position 2, and just sit in the car for 2 to 3 minutes, and this will be done. At the same time, if you go to the engine under the bonnet, you see that there is a noise from throttle body, and it actually starts relearning the positions of throttle body. Actually, ECU memorizes all these steps and resets the throttle body. So hopefully your issue will be solved with the fluctuation or high or low idle speed. So keep listening to this noise for 2 to 3 minutes, and you go back to car again after 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Start the engine, and hopefully there will be changes in your the way your idle speed is, more stable and much better feeling. Third trick or reset. It's a very important one. It's the most loved one. You will love it if your car has had shifting issues and or shifting points issues or jerky shiftings, or not a good feeling with shifting of the transmission. This can solve many issues. Of course, it cannot repair your transmission. What it does is just resets the adaptation data in your TCU, so the shifting point will be relearned after your reset to your driving styles and habits. It works very well if you have just bought the car and, for example, an old gentleman or lady had been driving your car. With the door closed and all the consumables off, we put the key in the ignition, go position 1, 2, all the lights on. We press the gas pedal all the way down so we can feel the kick button engaged. We wait for at least 20 seconds. Starting from now. Okay, this is now 20 seconds. Ignition off completely, position 0. Gas pedal released all the way. We sit here for 2 minutes without touching anything, so the TCU can actually reset all the adaptation data and we can have fresh TCU adaptation afterwards. But it's important to drive normally afterwards. Take it for a drive and you will definitely feel the difference after it. The shift points will be reset and will be waiting for your driving style to adapt to them. This can also solve some problems with transmission if it's regarding the adaptation data. After 2 minutes, you can remove the key, open the door, go out and take your car for a test drive, and hopefully everything will be great again. Okay, the next category and trick is for your windows, automatic windows, which is available on most Mercedes. And this can not work if you disconnect your battery for some time or you lose power due to something. So what happens if you put your ignition into the first mode and you press this button over here and does not work automatically. So if you want to make it automatic, you keep pressing the window button up when it stops going up for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. We do the same thing for the down position. Go all the way down. We wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's done. Let's now try. It's now automatic. Let's go down. It's now automatic. And now, just like that, we can continue doing this for the rest of the windows, and then you will have automatic window again for all of your windows. This trick also works for your sunroof, but unfortunately I do not have a sunroof for this model. But if you continue pushing to back when you want to open your sunroof for 5 seconds, continue pushing forward when you want to close it for 5 seconds, and you will reset your sunroof as well. This is going to be the last trick, and I didn't know it myself. So this trick actually works for the door mirrors. These can be reset, especially when you disconnect your battery or your battery drains for some reason, which is not recommended. So always charge your battery. Continue holding when you reach the final position for 5 seconds. And this is now reset. Continue to hold for 5 seconds on the left position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do the same for up and down. And your door mirror will be reset. So hopefully it will work much better, smoother after a while, because it knows the positions and it's going to work perfectly now. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so. Have a great day. Enjoy your Mercedes. Bye.
Phil.